So I'll play d4. Let's play the old line, queen b3. Knight c3. Trying to remember how exactly this line goes. Okay, take. There's bishop e6, queen a4, which is one of these old lines. I don't remember exactly how it goes, but f5. I think queen a3 to hit the pawn is correct here. And maybe knight e5, knight c4, maybe bishop f4 also. I think bishop f4 is supposed to be correct here. Trying to remember how exactly this line goes. So he does. So I'll go here, probably rook a c1. And there's bishop f8 to go e5 at some point, but who cares? He's trying to go queen b4, very logical. To do something quickly here. We'll go here to hit the bishop, maybe e4. Don't know if I love my position. Go e4, of course. It's queen b4. I'm not really worried about it though. It's at d5 as well. That seems like a weird. Seems dubious because now I got b3 and knight f3, and I'm able to actually keep the queens on the board. I am not convinced by what my opponent just did. It's also knight a4 to hit the queen. B2 or c1 is also not clear. B2 makes sense because I have a3. C1 makes sense also. I think c1's right. I don't know if it is, but it feels like just a3. Somehow there's just nothing on the diags right away. We'll see. Knight h5 logical. I could go a3 here. I think bishop e3 makes a lot of sense. Actually, just consolidate. At a3, or a3 can swing back to e6 though, so it's not quite as simple. I can go rook b1, rook b1 and a3 maybe. I think rook b1 and a3 looks correct. a3 maybe there's, oh, maybe I could have gone a3 takes bishop h3 and then knight b2. Whatever, that's life. e5 looks very wrong, so bishop h3. I still have a3, but let's go here. I think I should have played a3, queen b3, bishop h3. Yeah, I should have done that because I had rook b1 and knight d2. Should have played a3 first before he got e5, and but whatever. Bishop g5 of a3. I also have d5. I think I'm just gonna go d5 here because I can always kick him with a3 later, keeping this in reserve until I have to use it. Okay, now I think I have to kick him. And I have d6 maybe. I can also take. I could have traded first too, I guess, but okay, now I can take on c6 and play this endgame. Should be better for me, but how much better? Really not clear. I'm way up on clock. I either go d6 or I take. I don't like d6. It just feels too weakening. b6, bishop b7 or something. Take. I think I'm just gonna go here. Maybe knight a4. Maybe bishop f1 also somewhere. Oh, did I just hang a3? Oh my god, I just hung the pawn at a3. What the heck? But I guess I have rook a1. Do I beat? No, b4. Weesh. Okay, wake up. I'm very lucky. I didn't even see that was hanging. Jeez. Typical evening tilted too. So let's go here, take the pawn. Still better, but maybe I'm much better actually in a funny way because now the bishops cover the critical squares. Let's rook a8. I can play rook d1. Or I can go rook a1, bishop b5. Game of bishops versus knights. Pleasant. It's not. Oh wait, I've got rook a7 anyway. Actually, I've got rook a7 anyway. I also have queen a2 with the legendary triple stack if he doesn't move it. Isn't this just win? Oh, he's got queen b4. Huh. Huh. Like, I'm much better, but how do I win this? I feel like I should be much better, but I don't know how to prove it. Knight e5 is a playable move. I think I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, I mean, this... I'm just up a pawn here in the endgame. No, I'm actually not up a pawn, naturally. Why did I do this? Maybe f4? There goes queen e8. Okay, now... Let's go here. Now I should be winning. I'm just up a pawn. I take, I go e5. Or h3. Go here. Here. Now I'm up 2 pawns. There we go. And now I win. My technique was not very good there. He had bishop